I woke up now. It's yeah, 4 past 4. I'm still in my robe, you can see that. And the first thing I'm gonna do is check out my games. One thing I wanted to do is watch my weight, because I'm a little fat. One thing that I wanted to do was take these are the lenses that came yesterday in the post, and if there's time I'm gonna test them out. And I'm saying if there's time because today is Tuesday and night school is starting up again. Hi, thought about trying this thing out. It's a lens. I got it yesterday. We're gonna show if to see. Yeah, that is a difference, isn't it? I can show you a lot of stuff with me still on it. It's somewhat of a difference. I'm standing here close to a windmill and it's getting energy for us, electricity. So I'm driving through the woods here. I hope I can show you. It's like this. And I do this in the morning also because it's a shortcut, but in the morning there are no lights, so it's very dark here. And sometimes there are some sounds that scare you. So I just got home and I'm gonna look at what the postman brought me. Okay. It's only some stuff from the stores. There's no car. My wife is gone. She took the car and she went shopping. Yeah. What did you think? I'm leaving for school. I'm ready for it. It's the first school day of the year. Of the new year, yes. So I arrived at the school. I'm early, as always. I'm always early. And just waiting for the teacher to come. This is the theory classroom where we have theory. So I just arrived home from the school. The last video you saw was from the garage where we work, and it's very late and I'm very tired and I'm going to sleep, so I see you tomorrow.